Want to learn how to merge cells in Excel? I'll show you how to do it to make your sheets look neat, just like this. Here you have a table, but it looks a little messy because someone didn't set it up neatly. Let's fix this. Go to the Home tab. In the middle, you'll find a button called Merge and Center. When you click on it, a small menu opens up with 4 choices. Merge and Center means you can join cells and put the words in the middle. It's great for making titles and labels. You just pick the cells, click the button, and see the change. Merge Across lets you join cells side by side but keeps rows separate. So if you have 3 lines of words, they stay in 3 lines. Just choose the cells, click, and it's done. Before we go on, hit the subscribe button because every week I'm gonna give away a complete Excel course worth $300 to 10 of my subscribers. Now, let's continue. Made a mistake? There's Unmerge Cells. If you joined cells by accident like here, just click this and it's fixed. Once your report looks good, you could also add a pie chart to make it even better. But that's magic for another video, which I will link up here. See you there.